Respected principal, honorable teachers, dear friends, and my young brothers. I stand before you today not merely as Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, the son of a humble Mahar family, but as a representative of every Indian who dared to dream of dignity, equality, and freedom. Today, as we celebrate our independence, let us remember that liberty is not simply the absence of foreign rulers. True freedom is when no child feels inferior because of his caste, creed, or circumstance. When I was a child, I was told I did not have the right to drink water from the public tank. I was made to sit apart in school. My dignity was crushed before I learned to spell the word justice. But I chose not to surrender. I chose to learn to educate myself and to challenge injustice. Education is the weapon that empowers the most oppressed to break their chains. That is why I say cultivation of mind should be ultimate aim of human existence. Dear friends, when our nation won independence, a mighty task stood before us. To build a society that would never again allow the shadow of untouchability, discrimination, or tyranny. As the chairman of the drafting committee of our constitution, I dedicated my life to ensuring that no Indian should be should be should, should be denied our fundamental rights. The Constitution of India is not just a legal document; it is social contract, a solemn pledge that liberty, equality, and fraternity shall not be hollow promises but living principle. Let me remind you of the words I spoke on 26 November 1949. We must make our political democracy as well. Political democracy cannot last unless there lies at the base of its social democracy. When today I today we celebrate freedom, ask yourself today when you celebrate our freedom, ask yourself, are we truly free if our sisters are denied education? Are we free if our neighbors sleep hungry? Are we free if the poison of caste still infects our hearts? True patriotism is not waving flags alone. True, true patriotism is not waving flags alone. It is standing up for the weakest among us. It is embracing the diversity of India with pride, not prejudice. It is practicing constitutional of every day. Remember, the destiny of India will not be decided by the wealth of a few, but by the awakening of the many. Let us build of India that stands as an example, where freedom is complete, of injustice of universal. Thank you, Jai Hind.